my sister. Come on, Chloe. This is my favorite sister, my most loving sister, my most caring sister, my most understanding sister. She's the only sister I have.
Thanks, Chloe, for joining us.
A song written by Uncle Kimo Alamakeolana as he was vacuuming his house at the time in Manoa Valley. A song written for right up the road from my parents. It's Nani Manoa. Nani o manoa te hi kahua kahua tua hine kupa o kahaina nani o manoa wehi kahua Ui maoyo akaka kau mai luna me kawaii hanapa ao wai hake haua Ui maoyo akaka kau mai luna me kawaii hanapa ao wai hake haua O kapi o ana hanai o ke o lue kahi kona ninoia kahi Taranti hela hela O kapi o ana hanai o ke a lue kahi kona ninoia kahi Taranti hela hela Haina haia nei ana kapuana e nani o manoa I zaua tua hine Haina haia nei ana kapuana Nani o manoa vehi I taua tua hine That's Chloe, and that's Nani Manoa. All right, great.